All right, so you're ready to go. You're about to start the truck, but the windshield wipers go crazy and the truck won't start. You get a weird message like right stalk switch, problem detected, wipers going crazy. I'm gonna show you how to fix this. What you're gonna wanna do is turn it off. It's this switch that's the problem. I figured out if you just mess with it a little bit like this, all the way on, just a little up and down, a little left and right motion, all the way up, all the way down. You gotta mess with the engine brake. Usually that kind of fixes it. Let's see if it did it. Yeah, see? That's the trick. Now you just start the truck and you're good to go. To fix your wipers, obviously just turn them off. Hope that helps.